Hey everyone. Ideology and Roles of MMM, presented by Josephine Moran. What is MMM? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM is a peer-to-peer system where participants transfer donations directly to the account of other members. MMM is not a bank. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. It has no central account where it can be stolen. Instead, we send our donation to the recipient's account. MMM is not an online business, nor a high-yield investment program, hype, nor multi-level marketing, MLM. It is self-managed community by participants. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. In MMM, there are no promises, no guarantees. All transferred funds to another participants are your help given by your own goodwill to another one, absolutely gratis. Benefits from MMM. Participate in the system by providing a minimum help of $10 to another participants and get rewarded by the system with credits called Mavro. Provide help and it will grow up to 30% per month. In every person you invite to decide to provide help, you'll get 10% referral bonus. Registration bonus. When you provide $50 to 499, you'll get 20% $20 registration bonus. $500 to 2,999, you'll get $50. And $3,000 and above, you'll get $100 registration bonus. Participate in MMM Extra and you'll get 20 to 100% growth rate per month. Benefits of Manager's Bonus. Manager's Bonus in MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of donation of every participant in their structures made. This is a multi-level bonus, thus a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Manager's bonus depends on his level in the community. Manager's bonuses are charged in the same way as referral, but only from new money and will be available to withdraw after confirming you're providing help. Manager's bonus level 1, you'll get 5%, level 2 at 3%, level 3 at 1%, level 4 at 0.5%, level 5 at 0.3%, level 6 and so on at 0.1%. If you are the reviewer at the same time, manager, you'll get 10%. How does it work in MMM? Let's say you donate 10,000 pesos. You will receive an equivalent of 10,000 Mavro credits. It will grow 30% per month. It will continue to grow until you decided to get help from the community. In MMM Extra, your Mavro credit starts at 20% when it can grow up to 100%. Example, first month, you provide 200 pesos. It will grow compounded every month. And in 12 months, you'll get from 200, it will become 4,660. That's how it works in MMM. How do we send and receive donations? We use Bitcoin in sending and receiving donations. You may create your Bitcoin wallet at blockchain.info. Ideology of MMM. The modern world is bad, inhumane, unfair, and unjust. It is not for the people, it is for those who produce money for bankers and financiers. Ordinary people just serve them as attendants. Present banking system. People deposit their money with low interest. People deposit their earned money to the bank. That's what we call unfair financial system. Banks make money by making debt loans and charge with higher interest using depositors' money. The more loans they make, the more money they make. People who need to borrow from the bank of unknown purposes. The goal of MMM is not the money, but to fight against the world's unjust financial system. The goal is to help all the people in the world to create a fair financial relationship in the community. Founder of MMM, Sergey Mubrody, creator and official face of MMM, 2011. Having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer, and took part in the development of the first operating system. He was also a deputy of the Russian parliament. Over 138 million members in the 107 countries, 4 years of activity and $14 billion of assistance provided, the fastest growing community of people. We are waiting for you. We can do a lot. Be a part of our unique community. Together we change the world.